do it on my own, so I gotta get through it.
Syntax, how we should start with C++. Okay, so welcome to C++. So C++ is popularly cross-platform language that can be used to create high-perform applications such as operating system, browsing, video games, and as you know, Unreal is the engine and where we specially apply the C++ coding for developing our games. Okay, so here also art application and so on and web development, and these are also happens with C++. So C++ was derived from C and largely based on it. So actually the C and C++ is similar, has lots of similarities and also in a coding style. Okay, so they are both similar. So C++ program is a collection of command statement, as you can see here. So is a command statement and below is a simple program template. So how should, and we can also write in return also. Okay, so this is also there, return 0. Okay, so same as C. Okay, so this is the thing, and int main also used. So and this is a curly bracket, so this is called, it indicates the beginning of a function body, and inside this whichever is there is called function which will be executed. Other than that, whatever I read outside the bracket, it will not execute it. Okay, so if I run simpler code, this is giving a hello world. Okay, so this is our first program, the hello world, and how we should, and we will add std dot count hello world. So how we print in, so is a stream object used to perform output and standard output device, which is usually the display screen. Okay, so count is used to combination with the insertion operators hashes. Okay, so this also needed. So for easy version we can write also in, if you using a namespace extruder, we no need to give this thing. Okay, we no need to give std again and again, so we will give one time that we name using namespace std, so it will count as whatever we print we will use. So count, just give the hello world and that will enough for printing a statement. Okay, so here is, and also you can, if you try, if you want to try to multiple statement, you can do it like this. Okay, and if I want to print is, and after that I want to print okay hey, so it will all print as the same thing. Okay, so it will just come after and he say, so if I give just a space or space, and it will come as so space. Okay, so space comes. So how we should do that? Okay, so let's check once for our syllabus what we will do. So we will do introduction, C introduction, variable, lateral, constant, and this is our in C programming, and this is our syllabus. Okay, so which we will follow. So this one object and how we will do it. So these are the things, these are the topics. Okay, plus is a semicolon is used to terminate a statement. Okay, so if you, when you are using a semicolon, it is used for terminating a statement. Each statement must end with a semicolon and it indicates the end of one logical expression. Okay, so we will learn the what is variables. Okay, so variables like int, float, char, these are the variables. Okay, so I think you have some kind of idea like what is int. Okay, so for int 1 2 3 4 5 6, are 78. These are the kind of int. Okay, if you want to learn float, what are the float? 1.5, 78.9, whatever we have point, this is float. Okay, float. So now what are the chart? Like A, B, C. These are the examples of chart. There is another voice called constant. Okay, constant. So what happens in constant? Like if I want to like const int speed, if I make light speed equals to 299 or just 3 point something, okay, 3.8, 3.8. Okay, so these are the so we can make it constant, like light speed for. So now if I in the later, if I change light speed, it will give me an error. Okay, it's an error. Okay,
Do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm